Let's go treasure hunting at the Goodwill Bins and see what we can find. I just walked in and the wall is empty, so they're gonna be changing that out very soon and putting all new stuff for us to dig through. This blanket looks cute. Oh, it has a big A on it. I don't have any kids with the letter A, but I could hide it where you don't see that. I really like the woven texture. The cute little fringes. I wonder what brand this is. It's also very soft. Found the tag. It is mud pie. I think I'm gonna grab this. You can always just put it in a basket as decor for fall. Somebody got a nice chair right there. Let's go check these walls, and they're also bringing out new bigger bins. Gotta be careful because there's always lots of broken stuff at the bins. Probably some wedding decor right here. Plastic bowls. Hopefully they change out this side too, because look at all these empty bins right here. Lots of plastic. There's a vase. I'm gonna leave that here. Some mugs are still here. Lots of mugs. They must have cleared out the mug aisle at the regular Goodwill. If there was any awesome Winkin' Santa mugs, I'm sure somebody got them. Hopefully they change this out too. These are cute, little glass swirl, probably from a punch bowl set. Christmas mugs. All this furniture they've had out for a while. Usually when something really good comes out, somebody will grab it before it even makes it to the floor. They rolled out a new bin. All I found is this really cool handmade whistle. Waylon's going to love that. He actually just took a class to be a ref for soccer, and the only thing we don't have is a whistle. So I'm gonna show him that when he gets home from school. I don't think he's gonna want to use it though. All right, this is lots and lots of mugs in all of these bins. Little cement angel statue, actually ceramic. Lots of clothes today, overflowing with clothes and shoes and blankets. I dug through a new wall and only found two things. Oh man, actually I'm gonna put this back. I just saw this side and I was like, oh, swirl. But I don't love those roses. I got this little gold and white teacup right here. So that is it. I'm gonna go put this back, and the wall has kind of cleared out, so I can kind of show y'all the junk that they have, the not good junk. Okay, this piece is really pretty, but it has a giant chip, so unfortunately there's no rescuing this. Like, this bin is practically empty. I don't know, it's just like a lot of random things. We got some holiday stuff. They have this full of mason jars. Mugs. They must be clearing out all of the mugs at Goodwill. Toys. What's this? A jar of stuffing, maybe. Don't know what this is. Toys, games, CDs. Yeah, so just not really anything that we're interested in, but I'm gonna hang around for a little while and see if they bring out some more stuff. If they bring out a few more bins and it's all things that I'm not interested in, I'll probably head out for today. This is a whole 2 boxes of this, I forget what it's called. It's kind of white netting material, but I can't think of anything I need this for. Well, it looks like this is going to be my little pathetic cart today. Just not much. I've waited for quite a few bin changes, and it's just all clothing and shoes. So I got this blanket, this cup, this wooden whistle, and I found one shirt for rent. So, oh wait, never mind. It's all stained up. Y'all see that? back in the bin. All right, I am heading out for today, but you know, that's just how it is. Sometimes it's hit, sometimes it's miss, but you never know if you don't come look. So we'll be back again, and hopefully it'll be better next time. Y'all have a great day.